Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Complete ID verification and enable two-factor authentication so your account can trade securely. Next, link your bank or card and deposit the minimum shown. This unlocks buying power. While you wait for funds to settle, set your account type, cash versus margin, and confirm fees and leverage options. Once done, open the Markets tab, set your base currency, and enable push notifications. That way you get trade fills and price alerts immediately and avoid missed execution windows. You'll now build the trade. Search the ticker and review charts across 1D to 6M, scan recent news and fundamentals, then check analyst sentiment. Once decided, choose an order type, market for immediate fill, limit to control price, stop to protect downside, or OCO to pair orders, and enter quantity or dollar amount. Set time in force and preview estimated fill and fees so you understand execution cost. Make sure to review buying power impact and margin exposure before confirming to avoid forced liquidations. Finish by managing the trade actively. Monitor position size, P/L, and average price, then set profit targets or trailing stops to automate exits. You can close partially or fully with a limit order to control your exit price or adjust leverage by converting position type. If something goes wrong, orders stuck or incorrect quantity, first check your network and the app status, then inspect order history and cancel any pending orders before re-entering. If problems persist, record screenshots and contact support with order ID for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.